Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to talk about what you can do to advertise or promote your Kickstarter project using YouTube. Now one of the first things you're going to do when you log into your YouTube account is you want to first go to the channel area. And that's going to be that link here on the left hand side. And that's depending on when you're seeing this video. YouTube frequently updates the way that they show this dashboard, so this area might be in a different place depending on when you see this video. But for right now, let's go ahead and click on the channel link, and that's going to bring us inside of our channel. And you'll notice a couple of things. You'll notice that this channel has been partner verified, so you want to make sure that you are partner verified. First of all, you want to make sure that these things are in good standing, and routinely they're going to be unless you've already heard from YouTube. Now the other thing that you're going to want to do in order for us to be able to go forward is you want to make sure that you are enabled for external annotations. And that is this link right here. And this really does need to be green in order for you to be able to promote your Kickstarter project using YouTube. Now for the sake of example, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to type in a search term here in YouTube. I'm going to type in Chicago, Illinois. Maybe we'll find some projects that are in Chicago. And you'll see here that there are a couple. Now, any of these could be your own. It could be one that you are helping to promote. You could be consulting with someone. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to take one of these and we're going to get started. Here is one, let's see, called Charleston Street. So let's go ahead and click that one. And then we're going to start here. So this has a URL. It has a project that we can use, and so we're gonna say that this is your project, or this is the one that you are trying to promote using YouTube. And what you do is you're gonna go back to YouTube, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a video for that project. Okay, now again, we're just doing this for the sake of example. We're just gonna take this video that was created earlier. And it's about 11 seconds long. Obviously, you'd want it to be longer than that. And we're going to say that this is the video that you created about your project. So let's go ahead and open up this video. And we're just going to go to the edit area. And then we're going to go to our annotations. When we get to the annotations, what we're going to do is we're going to find the place in the video where we would want to have our link appear in the actual video. Maybe we want to have a spot, and we're going to add a new video. We're going to add a new annotation. And so what we'll do is we will maybe put a spotlight on here. And then we're going to write in here what we want to appear on that spotlight. And it would almost always be something about our project. I'm going to right here click here to donate. Okay, and then maybe I'm going to make this a little larger. I'm going to make my text a certain color, or the background a certain color, and then I'll make my text something that'll contrast. Okay, so now I have here the actual annotation. What I want to do is I want to, let's say I want it to play, I want it to appear throughout the entire video, so I'm going to adjust the timeline. I'm also going to adjust this square so it can be seen. So there you'll see my message. Now obviously you can use any kind of annotation. All these annotations are different, but basically what they do is they allow you to have a clickable link on top of the video, right? And we can put it any place in the video, and we can have that clickable link appear anytime in the video. So now what we want to do is we want to go and we want to put our link in here. Now let's say that we want to, if we wanted to put in a website in here, we wanted to link to a regular website, and let's say we wanted to link to let's say the Amazon site. And what you'd find is that Amazon.com is not a valid URL for an associated website, and that's because it hasn't been registered with our YouTube account. Now the other thing that you're going to find is that you don't necessarily have to have a registered website if you're doing a fundraising project. And now in this particular case, what we're going to do is we're going to take this URL from Kickstarter, which is approved by Google, which is approved by YouTube, and we're going to put it right there in the box. So now what we have here is this link that we've placed in our video for our Kickstarter project is going to be clickable. And what we're going to do is we're going to click that preview link. And so whenever somebody gets to that point in the video, they're going to have that link appear, and it's going to be clickable throughout the beginning up until the 10-second point. We can actually drag it all the way to the end. So you can do that with any video that you want to have appear to have a clickable link. Right? So once we do that, we can apply the changes. And then our clickable link then is ready. Now if I go to see this in the actual YouTube video, then what's going to happen is you'll see here now that spotlight, if I click that spotlight on the video, it's going to go, I'm going to stop that there. I'm just going to go to my Kickstarter project. Now that's one way of being able to do it. Now there is another way for us to be able to do it if you're enabled to do so. And you might have seen these videos, and you might have seen that some accounts have been enabled for cards. Now in this particular case, my accounts has been enabled for cards, and it says you now have access to cards. You're going to want to go and you're going to want to check out to see if your channel is enabled for cards. And if it is, then you're going to see cards appear right there on your dashboard inside of the video. And so we're going to go ahead and click cards there. And then we're going to click add a card. And you'll see here that we can actually create a fundraising card inside of YouTube. We're going to put our fundraising link in here. And then what's going to happen is YouTube is going to put a thumbnail in here. Now, interestingly, what we can do is we can upload an image, right, to represent what it is that we want to be seen. We can put a call to action here. We can say click here. And then we can say donate to us, right, in this case. And you can put in there whatever you want to. The most important thing is that you have the approved fundraising Kickstarter link inside of YouTube. What you're going to do then is you're going to click create the card. Again, understanding that you would already have a pre-made image, or maybe you have some images that you want to use. We're going to click create a card. And now what we can do is we can actually have this card to appear at a particular place in the video, just like we did in the other one. Right, so now we have this card appearing here at the top. So what we do here, let's go ahead and just watch this video here. And what you're going to notice is that I'm going to stop the video. There's a message there that says donate to us. Right, if I click that for more information, that card shows up, and then the person can go ahead and click there. Right, so we've got the teaser text, we've got a clickable link there, and when we click that link, it goes then to our Kickstarter project. And all of that happens inside of YouTube. Okay, so go ahead and play around with this. Certainly have fun if you have a Kickstarter project. I hope that this is helpful for you. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.